On this Uber app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a special PIN code when it comes to ordering rides. This allows you to be a lot safer when taking an Uber ride. So I'm in the Uber app right now, as you can see. I'm going to click the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to click Account. Then I'm going to go down and click Settings. I'm going to go down and click Verify Your Ride. Now, once I do, you can see right here the way this works. This makes it a lot easier and safer when taking rides because you will receive a unique PIN for each trip that you will need to share with your driver when they pick you up in order for the trip to start. So when the Uber pulls up, the driver has to get that PIN from you. This makes it a lot safer when it comes to making sure that you're getting in the right Uber. All I'm going to do is click it. And that's it. Now, I can't pick a specific mode, for example, like as you can see here, nighttime only, from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., enable PIN. That way I'm saying, okay, during the morning commuting hours, I don't think I have to worry as much about safety, but I'm only going to enable it at night. In my opinion, I figured, why not do this all the time? It takes 2 seconds for the driver to be like, hey, what's your PIN? You give them the PIN, and that's it. Super seamless and easy to use. And like I said, this is a very simple, easy to use feature. This is of course completely free, where any single time the Uber pulls up, when you let's say go to that car, of course verify the make, model, license plate, and driver's name. But in addition, the driver cannot really start that ride until they say, hey, Jessica, Tom, Mark, Mike, whatever, what's your PIN? And this is just an added level of security just to make sure you're entering in the right Uber, because of course, the driver has verified that code that you have. And in addition, there is a unique feature like I showed you that says only do this at night, right? From 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. That way, like say if you're taking a morning commute, like say you're going to work, like say at 8 a.m., you don't have to enter in that PIN, or you don't have to verify the PIN. But at nighttime, you do. I'm not gonna lie, the way I look at it is you might as well always have this on just to be as safe as possible.